Usually for breakfast, I have a bit of a savoury tooth, you know, bacon and egg rolls, cheesy toast. But of late, I've been loving muesli, and I love homemade muesli. This is my raw muesli, and it is so delicious. All you need is a food processor and lots of fun ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry, just like some desiccated coconut that goes straight into the bowl of a food processor, along with cashews. These are unsalted cashew nuts, some walnuts, so lots of crunch here, sunflower seeds, and some instant oats. To give it some extra flavour, I love cinnamon. Cinnamon and brekkie, they go hand in hand. So we're going to blend all of this up. I highly recommend just pulsing this until it's just well chopped. All right, that is looking good. It's smelling fantastic. But now we want it to look really caramelised, just like it's come out of the oven. And we can do this by adding some prunes. It's also going to give it a lovely sweetness. So some prunes that have been pitted. And again, we're going to pulse this until it's combined. And just like that, we have a gorgeous homemade raw sticky muesli. Have a look at that. It smells fantastic and it's ready to be eaten straight away. So a few generous spoonfuls of this into a bowl. Spread that out. Love that. And you can top it with whatever you like. Of course, I always start with some Greek-style yogurt, a dollop of that, and all types of fruits, depending on the season. A little mandarin on the top, so we'll break that open. A few little wedges, some strawberries. We'll just cut them in half. And then we'll quarter them. Sprinkle that over the top. For me, the more fruit on my muesli, the better. So let's add a few more berries, some raspberries and blueberries full of vitamin C. And I have a gorgeous little fig here. This is like a luxury, but when they are this perfect, I can't resist. This is one of my favourite ways to serve them on a gorgeous muesli in the morning. To crown and top the whole thing off, a little maple syrup or honey. I've got maple syrup, and if you wanted to make this vegan, just change the yogurt to a coconut yogurt and everyone can enjoy it. Homemade sticky muesli, that right there is very good for you.